Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And the table topic for today is the media controls how and what we think. The media controls how and what we think. Media controls what and how we think. And this is a very important and very serious thing to think about, that our beliefs and are shaped by media, what we read, what we consume, what we see. And if you end up in a wrong place, you have no idea how your belief can change. So it's very important to understand, to have a critical thinking about what we read and how we consume it. So whenever we read something, whenever we see on the news, almost every media house has an objective, like they have some philosophy, they have some ideology, right? And sometimes they serve the government, sometimes they serve the opposing party. If you look at the media house in, not in India, in every part of the world, those are owned by political peoples and or either the business tycoons, and they often have the hidden agenda. So what it changes is, it changes how the narrative they want to give. Have any story, they would twist it and they would present in such a way that it would feel like, yes, you are talking, the person is talking about right. Whenever there is a known issue, they might highlight it heavily because it serves the purpose for the government. So it's very important that we do not swayed by the media houses or the news we consume, and be little bit more aware and proactive about how and what kind of things we read. And do not think about whatever we see in the media that is 100% true. Take it with a pinch of salt, it can be wrong as well. Just maybe have a two newspaper or two like different things, that might help. Do not be fixated, do not be loyal to only one news outlet or media house. So have a very diverse set of media houses and process the news and then make your own opinion, or maybe like read about from the reliable sources. That's what I have to say. So yes, the media shapes how we think and what we think, and we need to do something about it, and we need to be proactive about what kind of things we read, what kind of news we consume. uh, and if we do that, I think we will be better placed in terms of the media how media can, if we like think of in this way, then we can better consume the news and media. That's what I think. Thank you.